inside. Stop pushing. Right.
That was fucking marvelous.
Mr. Ryder, you look great this morning. How do you feel?
Deputy?
For the American people. With respect to this case, Saks Fifth Avenue treated the defendant no differently than any other shoplifter would have been treated under the same circumstances. For production of documents and other information from the police department, the district attorney's office, to this courthouse, he said, I quote, "I've got evidence that Saks targeted her." He also said that the testimony of Saks' security guards.
Are there any statements you want to make in regard to sentencing at this point?
Every point during that attempt, I was met with things that were not only, conditions that were not only unconstitutional on their face, as the court well knows from the motion to recuse. They wanted a dog and pony show at every single point. They wanted her to come in on scheduled appearances. They wanted her to make statements, or extort, if you will, statements, being accused of all these heinous acts of going on to Saturday Night Live and wearing a shirt that apparently Saks customers might see, saying "Free Winona."
The body of a dead child, and in some way say because she supported
You
the
know,
family
that
of a
is
missing
just
child.
so outrageous, Judge.
I've had
That
this
really
listened
is.
for a year, and I'm asking.
She hasn't
her.
listened to anything for a year. She's only been on this case for 4 months.
Let's get to the issues in this matter. You've been in this court long enough to know what things are going to be important to the court in terms of sentencing and what things aren't. You have refused to accept personal responsibility for what happened on December 12th. And I will tell you that although contriteness is not a requirement of probation, it is certainly something that is a necessary component to the successful completion. Certain issues that may be the root cause, your decisions and conduct from then and from today's date in large part are going to define your public reputation and image and possibly your future freedom. A sentence fashioned today will ensure that if you steal again, you will go to jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, no, I do.
I am going to impose various conditions on you and responsibilities. Ms. Ryder, in this matter, is ordered to participate in a plan and/or program approved by this court for drug counseling and psychological counseling. In this matter, there is a bond that has been in effect in this matter. The bond as to Ms. Ryder is ordered exonerated.